This is Jessica and baby Henry. She has downloaded the BabyMoves app that is available on both the App Store and Google Play, and enters information such as the study they are a part of, Henry's participant ID, his date of birth, and his expected date of delivery. The app is now ready to go. Henry has now turned 12 weeks old from his expected date of delivery. The app will send a notification instructing Jessica to take a video of her baby. Henry is awake and happy this morning. This is the perfect time to take a video of him, as his movements can be affected if he is crying or if he is fussy. Jessica chooses a well-lit area in the house and removes all the toys from the filming area. She places Henry on the floor on his back. She undresses him so he is only wearing a diaper. All other clothing items, including his pacifier, are removed. Before recording, Jessica reads the how-to page that gives instructions on how to take a proper video of her baby. Before filming, Jessica remembers to try to not get Henry's attention, as this can affect his movements. Henry is now ready to be filmed. Jessica starts the video. She makes sure to keep Henry within the baby outline displayed on the app and continues to film him for 3 minutes. Once the filming is complete, the app will upload the footage to a secure server at Northwestern University. Jessica is now finished with the BabyMoves app for today. She will be reminded again in another 2 weeks to take one more video, when Henry is 14 weeks corrected age. Once the final video is uploaded, the Chicago research team will review it. Jessica will be notified by phone or email with the results of Henry's BabyMoves video. Further course of action will also be explained at this time.